What's the best way to sync your spreadsheets? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new record in Airtable. Then we'll be importing all that information to create a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Alright, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. And we're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Airtable to Sheets. And we're going to click inside of our trigger box. And we're going to select our trigger app, which is going to be Airtable. And the event is going to be a new record. We're going to make sure we're connected to our Airtable account. We're going to select our base, which is going to be our workload testing base. And then which table we want this trigger to be monitoring. It's going to be our events table. Click continue. And test our trigger. And we have a record that we can use to build this workflow. So I'm going to click continue. And then for my action, I'm going to use Google Sheets. And the event is going to be create a spreadsheet row. Make sure I'm connected to Google. The spreadsheet that I want to update is going to be my event spreadsheet. The worksheet is just going to be sheet 1. And then the row data I'm going to map with information from the trigger. So I'm going to click in the Add To box. I'm going to select the first column, which is the name of the event. And I'm going to pull that information from my trigger. So I'm going to click in this drop-down menu, and I'm going to select the name from Airtable. Add To. Description is going to be the notes from Airtable. Add To. The location is going to be the location from Airtable. Start time is going to be start time. And the end time is going to be the end time. So we can click continue and test this action. And we have a success. So the information from our Airtable was imported into Google Sheets. So we'll click continue, peek over at Google Sheets, and you can see Taco Tuesday event was just added with all that information, and that's copying that event from our Airtable here. So now these two spreadsheets are connected. So we can check and make sure there's a green dot in each one of our nodes, and then we can activate our workflow. And then anytime we create a new record in Airtable, that same information will be copied into this spreadsheet in Google Sheets. That's an easy way to build a workflow that will sync your various spreadsheet apps. You can join the Workload community by commenting on this post. And please like this video, or click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.